third and second and first graders. Here is your question. Who is the most powerful person you have ever met? And then you do have the object lesson. You've got a flashlight that does not have its battery. Shh. And you'll talk about what you need to turn on a flashlight. And of course, kids will not be able to turn it on because the battery is not in there. So when you put the battery in, you also need to make sure it's turned the right direction or it still won't work. So just a little something for you. So as kids are coming in, one of my thoughts is you could start them doing the Jesus is powerful activity right away, because they'll use this during the identity piece at the end of the day, but they'll have that, and it just talks about Jesus is powerful and he loves us. So after you hear the story, you'll come back. Your questions will be on the board, so you can go ahead and look at that. And then here is how the flashlight works, so when you can show that picture about that. But during your identity piece, every kid should make their pretty heart, because you'll be saying things like, Jesus is powerful, always, everywhere, all the time, and Jesus loves me. And as you say that, the kids will repeat that and will trace the heart. So we're just trying to get into their little hearts that they are loved, that Jesus is powerful, and that everything he does is motivated by his love for us. Isn't that good for us to remember? Also want you to know that for some time fillers at the end, if you guys want to have your kids do a puzzle, there are puzzles that are sitting on your shelf that kids can go ahead and give that a time to. A time to? You know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so God bless you guys. Thank you for your yes in kids, and we will see you on Sunday.